This, I'm pretty sure, is my new Gaggia Classic espresso maker. Let's check this out. I've been waiting for this. I like it. I love coffee and been wanting to learn how to make espresso. I used to have a cheap espresso maker, but this one, oh my gosh. There we go. I decided to spend a little bit more. Pretty packaging. That's what it's gonna be. Let's take this and let's go up here to the table in the kitchen. And I'll just take a quick peek here. Riveting, huh? This unboxing. Move that out of the way. You know, I'm gonna put this down here for a second and lift it up there. Nice. Oh. And a bunch of paperwork. Gotta love static, you know, anyhow, so got some stuff to clean off, all the staticky styrofoam stuff, but anyhow. Ooh. That's nice packaging. Yes. Now when you want to have those marathon gaming moments, or you're binge watching Netflix, whatever it may be, and you're get up and go in the morning before work, this should be pretty cool. I did a bit of research on this, on these espresso machines, and this seemed to be a good choice for the money. We'll find out. I mean, I may not be able to pull a shot. Anyhow, we'll stop there, and after I get it set up and going, I'll do a little instructional video on how to pull a shot on with the Gaggia Classic. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. My little pretty.